How to get numbers after decimal point. How do I get the numbers after a decimal point? For example, if I have 5.55, how do I get .55?
Keep in mind this won't help you with floating point rounding problems. i.e., you may get or otherwise a little off the 0.55 you are expecting. Use MOTF.
What about or using NumPy?
Using the decimal module from the standard library, you can retain the original precision and avoid floating point rounding issues. As Kindle notes in the comments, you'll have to convert native floats to strings first.
An easy approach for you.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.